Understanding, hold accountable. A guide to a powerful phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard quite often. Hold accountable. This term is not only common in English-speaking workplaces but also in everyday life. It's important, nuanced, and carries significant weight in conversations. So, let's unpack its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently. The phrase, hold accountable, implies a responsibility or expectation for someone to explain their actions or decisions, especially when those actions have significant consequences. It's often used in contexts where someone has a duty or obligation, and there is an expectation for them to fulfill that duty. When you hold someone accountable, you're essentially saying that their actions are subject to scrutiny, and they may need to face consequences if their actions don't meet the expected standards. Accountability is a cornerstone in both professional and personal relationships. It builds trust, ensures tasks are completed efficiently, and upholds moral and ethical standards. When people know they're held accountable, they tend to perform better. They are more likely to act with integrity. They contribute to a transparent and honest environment. Understanding how to hold others accountable, and how to be accountable oneself, is crucial for successful teamwork and interpersonal relationships. Let's see how hold accountable is used in sentences. 1. In the workplace, the manager needs to hold her team accountable for meeting project deadlines. 2. In personal life, parents often hold their children accountable for their chores and behavior at home. 3. In public domains, citizens should hold their elected officials accountable for their promises and actions. Notice how the phrase is adaptable to various scenarios, highlighting its versatility. It's important to note that hold accountable is not synonymous with punishment. It's more about ensuring responsibility and encouraging transparency. Misusing this phrase can lead to misunderstandings and may create a negative environment. Remember, the goal is to foster responsibility and improvement, not to intimidate or instill fear. And that's a wrap on understanding, hold accountable. This phrase, when used correctly, promotes responsibility, fosters trust, and ensures that individuals and teams meet their obligations. I hope this video clarifies its meaning and encourages you to use it appropriately in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, accountability is the key to building strong, reliable relationships. Stay tuned for more insightful content.